how a company collects the data. What kind of data is generated? Maybe number one, the items that are ordered, then date, time, then location, then restaurant, then bill amount, then partner details. All this data is getting preserved in a centralized database. So assume it like a centrally located huge computer which comes with a lot of data storage and lot of processing power. So this is centrally located huge data storage which comes with both data storage plus processing power. And now this particular data can be used by Zomato's data team to make any decision. How a company collects the data. So let's talk about the example of Zomato. Zomato. So data is collected based on the source. There should be some source which is generating the data. For example, in this scenario where we are talking about the college and principal, each row is representing a particular student and this data is generated by a student, right? So someone would have filled the form to generate this data, right? Similarly, if we talk about Zomato, the data is collected by or generated by some source. So one source is their mobile application. Another source is, now this is basically the user application which you and I are using. Another source is the mobile application. So I will write app, but this is the partner application or delivery partner. So there are two kinds of applications. One is the application that we use to order food, and second one is the application that the partner uses to deliver the food. Now, what kind of data this application would generate? The order, right? So over the application, you can, if you place the order, if you click that order this product, then once the order is placed, what kind of data is generated? Maybe number one, the items that are ordered, then date, time, then location, then restaurant, then bill amount, then partner details, and so on. So every order that is getting placed is generating all this data, right? Now, when a order is assigned to the partner, let's say this order is assigned to the partner to deliver. So I'll write to deliver. Then in that case, what kind of data the partner will generate or the partner's application will generate once the order is delivered. So partner application will generate date and time of delivery, distance traveled, income generated by the partner, any tip that is given by the user to the partner, any issues reported, right? Now this is for one delivery. So for one delivery, again, the partner's application will generate this data. All this data is getting preserved in a centralized database. So assume it like a centrally located huge computer which comes with a lot of data storage and lot of processing power. So this is centrally located huge data storage which comes with both data storage plus processing power. And now this particular data can be used by Zomato's data team to make any decision. Let's say they want to understand why the delivery are getting delayed, or maybe in which all locations the order frequency is very high, or maybe which all delivery partners are not able to fulfill the orders in right time, or maybe they want to understand where all fraud is happening between the user and the delivery partner. So now the Zomato's data team will utilize the entire data to figure out everything. But this is the flow of the data. There is a source. This is my source where the data is getting generated. This is the type of the data. The type. This is the destination where my data is getting preserved. And this is the purpose of this data. Now, I hope in this entire process, you can understand one thing, that Zomato is collecting a lot of data, but based on the business problem, based on the problem that they are trying to solve, they will use a portion of data. And then for that extraction process, they need some specialized person, right? That is where you and I come. That is where the team of data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, all the data team come together to solve a business problem.